Here is how to update your Gusto company address. Start from the Gusto dashboard while you are already signed in to your account. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your company name. This opens the area where your company settings and details are managed. From there, find the Information section and click Locations. This takes you to the page where Gusto stores the addresses connected to your company, including work, mailing, and filing details. If your company does not currently have an address listed on the Locations page, click Add Location. A window labeled Add Company Location will open. In this window, enter your company address information into each field provided. Add the street address first, then street address 2 if your address includes a suite, unit, or other secondary line. After that, enter the city, state, postal code, and phone number. Make sure each field matches the address you want Gusto to use for your company records. Once the address details are entered, review the available address type options. Select the appropriate choices for this is a work location, this is the mailing address, and this is the filing address. These selections determine how Gusto uses the address in different parts of your account, so make sure the boxes or settings reflect the role this address should have. After that, click Save to add the company address. When the save is complete, stay on the page and confirm that the new address appears where it should. Check under Filing and Mailing Addresses, and also check the Locations list. This confirms that the address was added successfully and that it is now associated with the correct company sections. If you need to update an address that already exists later on, return to the same area and look for Edit next to Filing and Mailing Addresses. Click Edit, then enter the updated information in the fields provided. Replace the old address details with the new ones and save your changes when you are finished. This updates the filing or mailing address on your account without creating a separate location entry if you are only changing existing address information. Take a moment to verify the final details after saving, especially the filing and mailing address labels, so the updated information appears exactly where you expect it. That helps avoid confusion if your company uses one address for work and a different one for mail or filing purposes. Thanks for watching. Your Gusto company address is now added or updated in the Locations and Filing or Mailing Address sections.